After a series of back-to-back leaks, the follow-up to one of last year's top gaming phones is officially here. Here's a first look at the ASUS ROG Phone 2. True to the leaks, the ROG Phone 2 sports a 6.59-inch Full HD plus 120Hz display, beating out the OnePlus 7 Pro's 90Hz and matching the refresh rate of the Razer Phone 2. The display also supports 10-bit HDR and boasts a delta E of less than 1, which means incredible color accuracy. Also true to the leaks is the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor with a clock speed of 2.96 GHz. The ROG Phone 2 also rocks a beefy 12GB of RAM and up to 128GB of UFS 3.0 storage. Speaking of beefy, it also has 6000 mAh of battery, a significant upgrade from the 4000 mAh cell on the original ROG phone, making it the largest battery to be on a flagship smartphone so far. Other specs include an in-display fingerprint sensor, Wi-Fi 802.11ad, and of course it has a headphone jack. On the back, you will find a dual 48MP and 13MP main camera array, while the front camera utilizes a 24MP sensor. The ROG Phone 2 also comes with an improved thermal design and a second-generation Aero active attachment to keep the phone cool. The air triggers have also been improved with reduced latency and better haptics. The new twin-view Dock 2 has a 120Hz touch display, a 5000 mAh battery, and a turbo fan inside. The fierce-looking kunai gamepad allows you to game in a number of different configurations like gamepad and handheld modes as well. We've yet to know the pricing and availability of the ROG Phone 2 here in Malaysia, but stay tuned to Lowyat.net so you'll be the first to know when the information drops. So let us know what you think of the ROG Phone 2 down in the comment section below, and as always, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon to get notified of our future videos. Bye!